You are not broke because you're bad with money. You're broke because you're 20-something, and nobody told you the truth. The truth is the thing you're panicking about. Having nothing is the most valuable position you will ever be in. You just can't see it yet. Everyone your age feels it. The friend with the good job feels it. The one still in school feels it. You open your banking app, look at the number, close it fast like the number might be contagious. That feeling is almost universal, and it is lying to you about what stage you're actually in. Meet Marcus, 20 years old, broke, same as you. No trust fund, no rich uncle. He had one thing you also have right now and don't respect yet. Time. Not money. Time. And time, it turns out, was the money the whole time. He just started spending it early. Here's the machine nobody explains properly. Money you invest doesn't just grow. It grows, and then the growth grows. $1 at 20 doesn't stay $1. Given time, it quietly becomes 10. The engine isn't how much you put in. The engine is how long it gets to run. So watch what happens with two people. Marcus starts at 20. He puts in $100 a month. Small. Almost nothing. A second guy, call him Dan, waits. Dan is smart, Dan is busy, Dan will start later when he earns more. Dan starts at 30, so Dan even tries to catch up. He puts in more, $200 a month, double what Marcus ever did. And here is the part that should stop you cold. By retirement, Marcus, who started 10 years earlier with half the money, ends up ahead. Less money in, more money out. The only difference was the 10 years. That gap between Marcus and Dan has a name. It's the cost of waiting. And it is the most expensive thing you will never see on a price tag. Every year you wait to start isn't a year you lost. It's a year of growth that will never exist. You don't pay that bill now. You pay it at 60. But you are not Dan. That's the whole point of this. You are 20-something watching this now, which means you are still standing at the exact spot Marcus stood. The panic you feel about having nothing? Flip it. Having nothing at 22 isn't the problem. It's the runway. It's the one advantage money literally cannot buy back. Now you're thinking, I can't invest, I have nothing to invest. Good. Because the number is smaller than you think. This was never about big money. Marcus started with the price of one dinner out a month. The barrier was never the amount. The barrier was starting at all. So what actually stops people? Not money. Waiting for the perfect moment. Waiting to understand everything first. Waiting until you feel ready. Ready is a feeling that never arrives on schedule. Marcus wasn't ready either. He started anyway, small, scared, and wrong about half of it. Started still won. You don't need to become a finance genius. You need to do one boring thing this week. Open one investing account. Put in whatever you won't miss. Set it to repeat automatically so you never have to feel brave again. That's it. You just have to start the clock. The clock does the rest. Somewhere out there, another 20-year-old just opened their banking app, saw the same scary number, and closed it fast. Most of them will keep waiting. A few won't. The only thing separating those two groups was never talent or luck or a rich family. It was a single boring Tuesday where one of them just started. Marcus at 60 isn't rich because he was special. He's comfortable because he was early. He bought that comfort at 20 for the price of a dinner a month, and a little bit of courage on a Tuesday nobody remembers. The version of you at 60 is being decided by the version of you watching this right now. You were never broke. You were early. And early is the one thing all the money in the world can't buy back. The clock was the money the whole time. Start it today. If this hits something, subscribe and drop a like. There's more coming.